Hello, parents. Do you know what percentage your child is going to secure in the next upcoming school exams, board exams, or any competitive exams? Who is the main contributor for your child's success? Either your child itself, or parents, or teachers, or anybody else? I'm going to tell you the answer for this. Hi, I'm Rakesh Chandramohan, memory and study skill expert and parents mentor for Max Academy, Mysore. I've been conducting training programs for students and parents on how to achieve 100% in exams by following my invention of creative memory management technique. And this technique helps students to achieve something outstanding in their exams. But before that, I want to tell you here who is the main contributor for student success in exams. And that's the main concept of this video. So watch this video till the end, understand, and once you understand, then you can see a child achieve something outstanding in their exams. Okay, now let us take this 100%. See students who have achieved 100% in exams. Take the example of students around you, maybe nearby, your relatives, your friends, how much percentage they have secured in their exams. You'll come to know who is the main contributor for that. For example, a student who has scored 100% marks in their exams, student has scored 100% is not just because of students' effort. Okay, 3 people are involved here, 3 people. So because of these 3 people's contribution, a student has scored 100% in exams. Now, who are these 3 people? The first 40%, the first 40% of the contribution comes from parents. Parents' support and encouragement for the child. If you properly support your child and encourage your child for ups and downs in the preparation for the exams, and when she's up, you have to encourage her. When she's down, you have to encourage. If she's feeling good, you have to encourage. If she's bad, you have to encourage. You have to support her. If she needs some extra resources, extra books, extra coaching to go, then you have to support her. You have to encourage her. See, nowadays education is very costly. Your child wants to do medical or engineering or law in a very good college. That means you have to spend a lot of money for the fees and donation, for books, for resources. But if you want to see a child to go to the best medical or engineering college, you have to sacrifice something. And that sacrifice is your support and your constant encouragement. So if you give this properly at the right time for your kid, support and encouragement just means your child has secured 40% in the exams, because your child does not have any tension and no headaches. Your family, your environment is very conducive for preparing for the exams, and your child gets a lot of self-confidence. Why? Because parents are giving a support. They are with me every time. In ups and downs, my father, my mother is there with me to support me in my preparation for the exams. Whether you're rich or poor, it doesn't matter. Whether you're highly educated or illiterate, it doesn't matter. What matters for the child is your support and encouragement. Second contribution comes from teachers. 40% of contribution comes from teachers. If a child is exposed to proper coaching or with an expert teacher, the selection of the coaching center and selection of the coach is very, very important. If a child takes coaching from an expert teacher, a successful teacher, then your child learns very faster. Your child becomes expert in the subject she's preparing for the exams. So the teacher plays a very, very important role in getting that another 40% extra in the exams. So 80% your child is already secure. 40% contribution from parents, 40% contribution from teachers, and remaining is 20%. And the 20% contribution is child's effort. That's all. Your child is getting proper conducive environment and support and encouragement from parents. She's getting coaching from an expert teacher, an eligible teacher, okay, an intelligent teacher, a successful teacher. And what more your child wants? Her preparation for exams becomes very, very easy. She feels confident, she feels positive, and her performance in the exam will be 100%. No doubt, you can see your child will be a topper in any exam she or he faces. Let's take another example. Just see a kid has just scored 50% in the exams. So if you observe a child who has scored only 50% in the exams, that means 20% contribution has come from parents, 20% contribution from teachers, and only 10% from a student's effort. That means there's no proper support or encouragement in the home. There's no proper exposure to the teacher or an expert teacher. So student feels low. She does not have proper encouragement in home. She's not having interest in studies, neither in home, or she's having interest in listening to class lectures because she doesn't like the class teacher. There's no proper teaching in the class. So a student will not spend 100% in preparing for the exams. Simply they're preparing for the exams, they will get some marks. This is the difference between an average scoring student and a rank student. So just as a parent, be proper support and encouragement, expose your child to an excellent teacher, and no doubt your child will achieve 100%. She will become the topper in the exams. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to put up more and more videos for parents and kids also. Okay, please do share this so that other parents can also watch. Thank you.